Here comes another one. Let's hope this one comes off a little easier than that other one did. This is more of a maybe 65, 64, 65 maybe, I think. Y'all let me know what year you think this is. We're gonna get it off and look at it. Y'all need to come on down and see us here at WW Kustomz in Toccoa, Georgia. We got this inventory coming in we've been talking about for the last 3 months. We're starting to get it moved. We finally sold enough to be able to have some room up here to where we can actually get some moved up here. So I need to move some more. Come see us. We'll get this off and look at it. Tailpipe going dry. It's got what on that side?
The fender's got a cut out for a spare tire.
Oh.
See, a lot of them don't.
Yeah, a lot of them don't have that. What year is this?
60, I think it's 63.
3? Okay. Got a tag on the back.
Yeah.
98.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was on the road in 98. Wow. So it got a motor and transmission in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Goodness gracious. There it comes. Woo! Nothing like standing around with 2 women watching you work, is it?
Yeah, that's right. You told me to stay away.
You done got scolded today, hadn't you? There's no telling how many times we move these things around. They got a lot of miles on them from that rollback. We got this for sale too, if anybody knows anybody hunting this thing right here. It turns over and stuff, I think. I don't think it's stuck. What do you stop so quick for? Oh yeah, no, I tried to tell him to keep going, but Karen's a big help. She helps guide them on and guide them off. We're gonna take a look at this thing, so it looks like. If anybody's looking for one of these, here you go. These old trucks are nice. These are all the Chevrolets we've had down in the other storage lot. Are you parting this out or selling it whole or both? You parting this out or selling it whole or both?
We can do both.
Both? Okay. Yeah. It's like a 60, 63, something like that. Or, yeah, 63.
63.
Okay, 63. I have to get that wrote on there. Small back glass. let me know if you're interested. We can sell you a part. We can sell you the whole thing. Here in Toccoa, Georgia, give me a call, 706-244-4338. We got a lot of different stuff for sale, and we're trying to move them. Somebody's a Georgia Tech fan.
I bet the gas cap gets done.
You think so? Might want to take it off and stuff something in it.
Well, it'll get water down in there.
Yeah. All right. Holler at us. We need to sell something.